Everybody, this is part 2. I just want to say, I looked in the wrong pocket. Wait. Here it is. Let me read it. This is called Bonfire Night. It's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, where we celebrate the Houses of Parliament staying alive, alive. The fireworks stay in the sky and split up the girls, bang, bang, bang. It's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, where we celebrate the Houses of Parliament staying alive, alive. We got fireworks and gardens, gardens, yet we don't have celebrations with each other due to COVID-19. It's bonfire night, where we celebrate